Hey everyone, welcome back to Globry Digital Innovation, where we dive into the coolest digital tools and the latest in AI technology. If you're into graphic design or just starting out, today's video is for you. We're diving into the top 3 AI tools for graphic design that can level up your creativity and make your design process way smoother. These tools are super easy to use, and trust me, once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Let's get into it. Alright, first up is Designs.ai. If you're looking for an AI tool that can do everything, from logos to videos to banners, Designs.ai has got your back. The coolest part? It's incredibly user-friendly. You just need to give it a few details like your business name or design preferences, and boom, it generates a bunch of high-quality designs in seconds. It even helps with color schemes and fonts, so no more struggling with those tiny details. If you're short on time and need something fast and professional, Designs.ai is your new best friend. Next up, let's talk about Figma. Now, Figma is already a favorite among designers, especially if you work with a team. But did you know they've been adding AI features? Yep. Figma's AI is helping you speed up your workflow by automating repetitive tasks like resizing or aligning elements and even suggesting layouts. It cuts down on all the manual tweaking, letting you focus on creativity. Whether you're working on a website or app design, Figma makes it fast and easy to bring your vision to life without the headache. For beginners or pros alike, Figma's growing AI capabilities can help you create clean, responsive designs without spending hours on the tiny details. And last, but definitely not least, we've got Canva. You've probably heard of Canva because it's so popular, but the reason it's a game changer is its AI features. Canva's Magic Resize tool, for example, lets you create one design and instantly adapt it for every platform: Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, you name it. Canva's AI features include one-click background remover, text-to-image generation, and image expand for resizing images seamlessly. It even creates custom videos, perfect for quick, high-quality designs. Whether you're creating social media graphics, presentations, or even custom merch, Canva's AI makes it super easy and fast. So, those are the top 3 AI tools for graphic design, Designs.ai. For quick and easy creation, Figma for collaborative projects, and Canva for its all-around simplicity and powerful AI features. They save time, boost creativity, and give you results that look like you spent hours, when really the AI did all the hard work. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep creating, keep editing, and we'll see you in the next video.